Okay, dismantling of the sofa. It's very simple. The back of each section, you've got 4 screws here. This is a corner piece, so it's got 4 running along here, and then another 4 here. I have dismantled the whole sofa. All of the nuts and bolts are handily in this jar. The leg sections here, 4 on each unit, very simply hold of and unscrew. Separate little fibre piece will be going into there. The studs on these, sometimes they're not Loctited in. They should be about there, but on some of them the thread has gone through, so you've only got about sort of this much here, the top threaded section sticking out, but that's how it should be if you can get them all to line up. So they all come out.